ngayon sa airport and it's 7:15 a.m. Our flight is at, our flight is at 7:40 and siguro we'll just catch breakfast right now. Pero hindi ko masyado na-videoan yung mga first parts kasi sobrang fast-paced and syempre sa airport medyo bagulo. Medyo maraming tao ngayon since it's Friday. Wala ka pa. Ang daming tao.
Sabi ko lang sa kanya, alam mo naniniwala ako na. Ay, kung ganito na mukha ko pa. Yeah. Ako makapagod.
So we are now about to board boat trip papuntang Boracay. We just got off the bus and I tried to sleep on the plane pero hindi ako nakatulog kasi nag-bomb kami. So medyo sobrang trip ko din ako. Yay!
Oh.
So, nandito na kami sa Boracay. Hello! Silo ka mo? Is that how you say it? So, we will take another coaster or tricycle. There. Room namin.
Kuya, may tawad ba kami?
Ma'am?
Tawad ba na? Thank you.
May view ba? So that's... Ay! Class! Oh my God! Sobrang bright pala. Okay, so that's it. There's no view.
Where is sunset?
Okay.
Ito gusto nyo? For 6 na. Oh, sige na. Ito mo.
Red.
Hindi, okay lang pala. Pwede pong cha-cha. May laban.
Oh my god, sana nagpo-focus. Focus. Hi guys, so super quick update lang. So, it's now around like 4 p.m. We just got back from the beach. We went swimming and we took some pictures that were really nice. So ngayon, we're just gonna go to the other part of the island. Sorry, medyo haggard ko na sila. And we'll try to explore, you know, what's there. And I'll just check if I have my key. Okay, I have my key. And yeah, we stayed at this restaurant. It's called Cha-Cha restaurant. And that's where we had our merienda. I highly suggest you get the halo-halo. It's good for 3 people and around for 250 pesos. It's really worth the price. So, yeah, it's been a blast. Boracay looks so fantastic. And I'm so happy I got to vlog here. Being that, you know, it just opened. So, yeah. So it's my mom. Hello. So it's around 4 p.m. and we're walking along the shores of Boracay. And as you can see, marami pang mga saradong places because it just got rehabilitated. Hi guys, good morning. So it's around 6:30 a.m. Woke up pretty early today because I slept at 7:30. So nagbihis na ako and nag-ayos, put on a little bit of makeup. So I want to actually just walk down the beach ngayon. It's pretty, like, there's no one around. And it's still early, so I'm hoping to get some good shots for you. Pero, it's a bit, medyo makulimlim. So I think umulan din na. Ayan. Can you see over there? Sandy White Beach. What the heck?
kay Google.
Hello! So, it's day 3 ngayon. And, like, I already wore my clothes pang uwi. Hopefully, we get home early. Our flight leaves at 11 a.m. I'm heading downstairs for breakfast. Hindi ako masyado naka-film kagabi kasi namatay yung battery. Ay, namatay yung battery po. Namatay yung camera ko. I wasn't able to film last night because namatay yung camera ko. Hindi ko na siya na-charge the first night. Ayun, medyo pagod. But we ate at some restaurants last night. I think we ate at the Indian restaurant where you get to sit on like the floor. Yun so far, yung favorite ko kasi the servings were good and then onti lang in order namin pero nabusog kami. If siguro you're not really mahilig sa mga spices and yung mga strong flavors, it's not for you. But then if you can appreciate that, then maybe you'll enjoy it for sure. Then we went to this cafe, Cafe de Sol. I think it's also they have the same owner as Aria, so we moved there as well, and we tried their cakes. It was okay. Yeah, it was okay. And then what else did we do? We just walked around. My mom bought bathing suits. So, nakikita ko. Ngayon, sobrang hagod ko and ang pagod ko. Mamaya na lang pala ako magsasalita.